Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make only one page landscape in Microsoft Word document. So follow some easy steps to make only one page landscape. So as we can see we have some pages here. So move your cursor in the end of first page, then click on layout, then breaks and select next page. Now you will see your cursor in second page. Now here click on orientation, then select landscape or portrait. So as we can see we have some pages in this document. Now first method you have to do, move your cursor in the end of the first page, then in layout tab click on breaks, then select next page. Now here click on orientation, then select landscape. So now we will see all pages are now in landscape. So again move your cursor in the end of the second page, then breaks and select next page. Now here again click on orientation and this time select portrait. So as we can see all pages are portrait except this one page. So this is the method guys you can make only one page landscape in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.